If you're looking for a delicious salad to serve at a luau or any party, then you are not going to want to miss this video. It's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, the other week I posted my Amish macaroni salad that I make all the time, and someone was asking about luau food. There are a lot of graduation parties that are happening right now or are about to happen, and I've seen a few people post that they wanted to have like a luau theme party. And I found this recipe. It is from, oh my goodness, Food, Folks, and Fun. And I will link the recipe in the description box. It is a Hawaiian macaroni salad. So I guess it's a little bit different than what you would think. You would think it would have pineapple or something like that in it. But this doesn't. From my understanding, this salad, if you get like food in Hawaii, like off of the food trucks and stuff, this is the salad that they give you as that little side salad when you order that kind of food. So I thought I'd go ahead and make it and share it with you all. So let me stop talking. I'll take the camera down. We'll go over all the ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and just prep everything ahead of time because I know you all know how to chop and boil some macaroni. So I'll get all that done and then we'll come back and put it all together. All right, so we're going to start here. We have some apple cider vinegar. I have some half and half. I'm using low fat because that's what I have on hand, but you can use regular. I have elbow macaroni, some salt and pepper, some Duke's mayo, celery, dark brown sugar, scallions, an onion, and yes, we've got the two there, and some carrots. All right, my friends, so everything is prepped. We're ready to go. I have my macaroni. I just put it in the bowl. It is still warm. So at this point, we're gonna add our apple cider vinegar to the macaroni. All righty, we have a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar in our warm pasta. So we're just going to stir this really, really well. I love apple cider vinegar. Smells good. Want this to absorb the apple cider vinegar. All right, I have 2 cups of my Duke mayo, and then I have 1½ tablespoons of grated onion. I used my little grater here and I grated it on that side there to get this. So we're going to go ahead and add in 1½ tablespoons of grated onion. And now we're going to go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar. We're going to add in a teaspoon of pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to add in 2 cups of half and half. And that is all we need for our dressing. Then we're going to go ahead and just whisk this all together. Okay, it is very thin. You can see it's very watery. It is okay this way. And I forgot to mention, I'm putting this in the fridge for a little bit. The macaroni, that's supposed to sit on the counter for about 20 minutes, covered up. This is supposed to go in the fridge for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead, cover this up, put it in the fridge, come back in about 20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and continue putting it together. Alrighty, so this has been sitting out on the counter for 20 minutes. It is still a little warm. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up. Yeah, still a tad bit warm. So we're gonna go ahead now and add in half of our dressing. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and stir that up. Mix it really well. I'm gonna put this back in the fridge again. And we're gonna let this sit on the counter covered up for about another 20 minutes to let it cool down finally. Completely, I mean, finally, completely. And then we will finish putting the rest of it together. So we'll be back in a few. Alrighty, let me go ahead and take our plastic wrap off and give our macaroni a good stir. Now we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our dressing. Probably should have stirred that before I poured it in. Okay. Let's give that a good stir. Mixed up really, really well. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of our ingredients. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add in my shredded carrots. Again, I just use this handheld shredder or grater, and I use the same size that I did the onion with to grate my carrots. I have about 1 1/4 cups of grated carrots. And then I just chopped up some celery stalks. It called for 2 large celery stalks and yeah, 2 large celery stalks. Mine were really, really small and thin, so I went ahead and did 4 just because it just was not enough. Then it called for 5 green onion. I went ahead and chopped that up. There we go. Oops. And then we're just gonna add a tad bit of salt and pepper for taste. And then alrighty, let's mix her all up. This definitely would make a great St. Patrick's Day salad. Look at the colors. Is that looks like, I'm like stirring it and thinking this looks like a leprechaun. There we go. This would be great. Color-wise, at least. It's not Irish, but hey. It's a pretty color. St. Patrick's Day for sure. We're just going to give this a really, really good stir. Then I'm going to cover it up. And it says to let it finally cool down. Mine's pretty much cooled down because I put it in this bowl. My bowl that I had the pasta in was too small for me to stir it in. I didn't realize it at the time, so I had to transfer it to this bowl. So I think mine cooled down a tad bit faster. If you're doing it in your pot that you made it in, you're going to leave it cool just a little bit longer. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. It says to chill it for 2 hours, which is perfect for dinner. So we're going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. And then after it is chilled, we're going to do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this in another bowl. Oh, it looks delicious. Can you see it? Yum. I'm gonna put that in one of my favorite bowls, and then we'll do a quick taste test. All right, my friends, so here it is. Let's do a quick taste test. Well, it's very different. I think I like it. I think I like it. I don't know what I was expecting. It tastes like macaroni salad. I think I was expecting, I don't know what I was expecting. More sweetness, maybe? What I really like about it, though, it doesn't taste mayonnaise-y. I like it. I really, really like it. It's different. I don't know how to explain it. It just doesn't taste like a bunch of mayonnaise going in your mouth. Is that weird? But yet it tastes like macaroni salad. I don't know, friends, but this is a keeper for sure. Here's some of the carrots. I don't know. I just honestly had something completely different in mind because it had the apple cider vinegar, the brown sugar in there. I don't know. I was just expecting something totally opposite of what I just tasted. It tastes like macaroni salad, but not mayonnaise-y. And that's what I like, because one of the things is I'm not big on all that mayo in macaroni salad, so that's why I don't really eat it that much other than my Amish. This is more, I don't know. I really, really like it. It is really good. I'm gonna go give hubby a bite, see what he thinks, and I'll let you know. And then I'll be right back. All right, my friends. He didn't like it. It seems like every time I love a recipe, he doesn't like it. He said it tastes like, what'd you say? It tasted like, what'd you say it tasted like?
Cream, macaroni with cream on it.
He said it tasted like macaroni with cream on it and vegetables thrown in. I thought it was pretty good. I like it because it tasted more like cream than the mayo. So I'm gonna, obviously I made a huge pile of it. I'll save some for myself, and then I'm gonna take it into work and share it. And I will not edit this video until I get some thoughts on it, and I'll let you know at the end of this video what everybody thought. So friends, that'll do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.